Hi everyone, welcome back to Sonya's Prep. I just wanted to share with you this incredible recipe that my mother-in-law taught me how to make. These are meat and potato patties that are very common in our household during Passover. It's very simple to make and they're super delicious. You make them by browning an onion with some ground beef and add into it salt and pepper, and simultaneously you make some mashed potatoes. I drain the potatoes and I leave no water at all. I mash them completely with some salt and pepper, and I'll show you what I do next. To the mashed potatoes, I add in 2 eggs and about 4 to 6 tablespoons of matzah meal. It will vary on the amount of potatoes that you choose to make. After I mix that all together in nice dough forms, I take about a tablespoon of the mash, roll it into a ball, and put a little finger into the mash to create a crevice where I could put the meat filling inside of it. I put about 2 teaspoons, I try to mush it inside, and then cover the meat with the potatoes. And I continue doing that until I use up all of my potatoes, and I place it on a parchment lined cookie sheet, and then I fry those up. So again, I'm here taking a little ball of the mashed potatoes, rolling it into a ball and putting my thumb into it so I could create a little crevice. I add in the meat filling and cover that up with the potato so the meat is hiding inside. And I use the oil so that the potatoes don't stick to my fingers so I could easily manipulate the dough. So here I'm using oil. I put that into a pot, wait until it heats up, and drop in the meat and potato patties. I brown them on each side. It takes about a minute on each side to brown, and then I take it out and I put it on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. And they come out super delicious. They're crispy on the outside and nice and juicy and moist on the inside. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comments down below. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked what you see. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.